Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is simply pull down the notification panel and find the battery saver toggle. Now once you tap on it and turn it on, it will turn your battery on this red outline just to signify that you have the power saving mode enabled. And also what it does in the background is when the device goes to sleep, meaning when you lock it up like this and it just sits like that for a couple of minutes, it will go to sleep, and that means it will also disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that will cause you to not receive notifications that would usually require internet connection, and that is because you're basically disconnected. That is just so you preserve battery when you're not using the device. It will automatically reconnect to both of those once you wake up the device, so don't worry. And also, if you want to extend your battery life even further, what you could do is simply drop down the brightness, which power saving mode here doesn't actually interact with. By dropping it halfway, you gain several hours of battery life, so it's a fairly easy and quick way to gain additional battery life. Now once you're done with it, assuming you haven't touched the brightness, all you need to do is tap on the power saving or battery saving mode again, and this will disable it, and everything will go back to normal. And that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.